Hello, my name is Rizwan. I am from Manipur, India, and this is a project for CS50 Python. The title of my project is Expense Tracker. Basically, this project is a command line based expense tracker. Main goal is to help users manage their financial by recording expenses, categorizing spending and setting their budget. The programs allow secure user authentication using password hashing, and each user has their own private data. Some features of the programs are users can create account and log in securely. They can add their expenses by category. They can include amount and personal notes. They can delete their expenses and view their expenses as well. Users can set a budget. They can add more budget to their previous budget, and they can check how much of the remaining amount is left in the budget after spending. And finally, users can export their data for other external users to a CSV file. Here is the demonstration of the project. We are given an option to register or login. First, we will register by choosing one. Let's say zone, and the password is zone10. It says user created successfully. Then we will log in with this user. We'll select 2. As soon as we enter, we were given a list of tasks. First, we can add the expenses, view expenses, delete expenses, list the category, expenses by category. We can set a budget, we can get the budget, we can add more budget, and we can see the remaining amount as well. And we can export the expenses to CSV file. Before we do anything, let's add the budget by choosing 6,000. Now that I have added the budget, I can put expenses. Let's say I've spent that 100 on food. Let's say burger. Okay, it says expenses added. You have used of 100 of 1000, which is 10% of the total budget. Let's add another expenses. I've spent 200 clothes. Let's say clothes. Let's say I've spent 300. And search. It says expense added. Now I have used of 400 of 1000, which is 40% of this. We can view the expenses. Let's view the expenses by choosing 2. We can see the expenses category, foods, amount 100, and then burger and search. Okay, total I have used of 400. We can view the category. Let's choose 4 to view the category list. You can see that I have spent 100 on foods and then 300 on clothes. Now I can add more budget. I want to add another 500. It says budget updated. We can see the budget now by choosing 7. It says 1500. First we add 1000, and after that we add 500. It's 1000. The budget is 1000. Now I can get the remaining amount from my budget. You have spent 400 and remaining is 1100, which is totally correct. I have spent 400, so it's left with 1100. Finally, let's export the expenses. Okay, by choosing 10. This is data exported successfully to zone CSV. Now we can see it here. The ID, date, category, amount, and note. Here are all the expenses. This is project on CS50. Thank you.